elephant walks slowly in the quiet jungle, feeling calm and safe.
A giant elephant runs through the forest. The ground shakes under its feet.
The elephant drinks cool water and enjoys the peaceful river.
The elephant sprays water on its body, staying cool in the heat. In the deep jungle, the elephant moves quietly, listening to nature sounds.
The baby elephant stays close to its mother, feeling safe and loved.
The elephant rests under a big tree, enjoying the cool shade. Heavy rain falls in the jungle, but the elephant keeps moving forward.
The elephant walks near a waterfall, surrounded by natural beauty. At night, the elephant moves slowly under the soft moonlight.
Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They are big, strong, and very peaceful animals. Elephants live in Africa and Asia. They like forests, jungles, grasslands, and places near water. An elephant has a long trunk. The trunk is very useful. It helps the elephant to eat food. It helps the elephant to drink water. It also helps the elephant to smell and touch things. Elephants have big ears. Their ear help them stay cool in hot weather. Their skin is thick and raw. It protects them from the sun and insects. Elephants are not only big animals, they are also very smart and kind. They remember things for a long time. They can recognize voices and faces. Elephants are special animals in the nature. In the jungle, elephants move slowly and calmly. They walk through tall trees and green plants. The jungle is full of life. Birds are singing. Wind is blowing through the leaves. The elephant walks on soft ground. Its steps are heavy but gentle. Sometimes the elephant runs. It runs fast when it feels danger. When it runs, the ground shakes. Dust rises in the air. Elephants love water. They go to rivers, lakes, and ponds. They drink water with their trunks. They also spray water on their body. This keeps them cool and fresh. An elephant spends most of its day eating. It needs a lot of food to stay strong. An elephant can eat up to 150 kilograms of food in one day. It eats grass, leaves, fruit, and trees bark. The elephant uses its trunks to pick food. It pulls branches from trees. It chews slowly and calmly. After eating, the elephant may walk around. It explores the jungle. Sometimes it rests under a big tree. It enjoys the shade and cool air. Elephants sleep for a new hour. They usually sleep at night. Elephants live in groups. These groups are called herds. The herd is led by a female elephant. She is called the matriarch. She is old and experienced. She knows were to find food and water. She protect the group from danger. Baby elephant stay close to their mother. They are small, cute and playful. The whole group cares from the babies. They help them walk and stay safe. Elephants show love to each other. They touch each other with their trunks. Elephants are very intelligent animals. They can remember places for many years. They can find water even in dry areas. Elephants have a strong emotion. They feel happiness and sadness. They care for their family members. They help each other in difficult times. Elephants communicate with sound. They also uses body language. They can make low sound that human cannot hear. Water is very important for elephant. They drink water every day. They need a lot of water to survive. Elephants enjoy bathing in water. They play in river and ponds. They spray water on their body. They also throw mud on their skin. Mud protects them from heat and insect. Life in the wild is not always easy. Sometimes there is not enough food. Sometimes water is hard to find. Elephant may face danger from predators, but adult elephants are very strong. The biggest danger comes from humans. Some people hunt elephant for ivory. This is very harmful and illegal. We must protect elephant. They are an important part of nature. Elephants are usually calm and peaceful. They do not attack without reason. They prefer to stay quiet and safe. They enjoy walk slowly in nature. They like calm and peaceful places. Watching elephant can make us feel relaxed. The elephant is walking slowly in the jungle. The jungle is green and peaceful. Birds are singing in the background. The wind is soft and calm. The elephant moves step by step. It looks relaxed and quiet. It goes near the water. It drinks slowly. It sprays water on its body. It feels cool and fresh. The jungle is calm. Everything is peaceful. Please subscribe my channel.